Hello everybody, I am the Craftacular creator and today I am sharing a process video for this adorable whimsical woodland themed card. I love the colour scheme for this one and I think those snails are just the cutest addition. Before I begin, I would like to ask you to get clicky for Vicky. This is my own catchy way of asking you to like, share, comment and subscribe. For this card I will be using Lawn Fawn Flirty Frames, Porcupine for You, the Quilted Hearts backdrop in Landscape, and here you will see Ballet Slippers cardstock, but this will be changed later on. I start using Copic markers for colouring. I use the darkest shade first and then blend this out with the lightest. The caps can be seen on my craft mat. I chose the E40 markers for the hedgehogs. Yes, I know the set says porcupines, but I am calling them hedgehogs for this purpose. We don't have many porcupines in the UK after all. Popping in an apology here, my camera was a little bit blurry for parts of this video. I'm not really sure why, but I'm hoping that in the future it won't be as blurry. Give the hedgehogs a rosy cheek with a R20 marker and then a little eyelash with a Copic fine liner pen. I wanted to do a little something different for the frames. I used a green marker to create flicks for the grass and then a light blue for the sky. I repeated this 3 times, fortunately remembering to rotate one of the frames before I coloured it. I used red shades for the frames as by this point I had a better idea of the colour scheme that I wanted to use. I stamped out many mushrooms as I wanted them to feature in each scene of the card. I coloured these using colours I had already chosen for the other images. And a bonus E40 marker for the stalks and spots. Once I coloured the images, I fussy cut them and started to plan out the card. I die cut the Quilted Hearts backdrop in craft cardstock and placed a piece of chili pepper cardstock behind it. I die cut 2 sentiment tag strips in white and red, and then I stamped "I love you so much" in VersaFine black ink. With most of the pieces needed, I started to assemble the card. I used liquid glue for the images. The story of the reunion of Mr. and Mrs. Hedgehog running through the mushroom meadow features throughout each frame. I glue the craft card to the chili pepper panel and add the frames with foam pads. I used some leftover craft card hearts to decorate the banner, and then had the amazing idea of adding white hearts to continue the mushroom theme. This was made much easier by using a pickup tool and liquid glue. Finally, I added a trio of snails to the card to add a little more whimsy, as if it didn't have enough already. I used the same red colours and cream colours to colour these snails. And there you have it, it's all done. Usually here I'll talk about the parts of a card that I've made that I love the most, but on this one it's just too hard to choose. I just love it so much. This card was inspired by episode 197 of Craft Roulette. The parameters can be seen on the screen. My card has 2 tags. The colours make me feel very happy. Nails, however, they were an unexpected blip. But then a moment of inspiration hit me and I added snails instead. Finally, my hedgehogs are outside the lines of the frames. With mention of Craft Roulette and parameters, I have included a slide of what it's all about and hope, if you haven't already, subscribe to Craft Roulette. It is so much fun. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to get clicky for Vicky. It would mean the world to me. Ta-ta for now everyone, take care, and I will be back soon.